Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel in my Honda S2000 as my window regulator has snapped and I need to rebuild it. Anyways, let's get started. We're going to start first with removing the screw from the door panel behind it. And then we're going to pop these off, as you can see. We're going to need to pop that off with our finger, and there's another one in here with a trim tool. And remove this first and then unplug the tweeters. So let's get started. Okay, so we got one right here. So Phillips right behind there. I'm not sure if you can see, but there will be a little one screw. And so kind of go out and in, and we're going to put that screw back here. Next, we have tab right here and a tab right here. This one's already pretty loose, so just take that off. And you can use your fingers pretty much to take that off. We can see in there, and another one in there. So 2 Phillips. So we're just gonna use our second one. And now we're gonna need to pop this door. We're gonna get some. So we see this is kind of loose. We're gonna, underneath, there's 6 tabs. Now we're gonna need to use a trim tool. Underneath here, you can get in with one. Just kind of pop. So we got here, and you can use your hand. Oh yeah, there's clips right here, forgot about that. So right here, if we can see there's a clip, then we're gonna need to take that out, this clip out right here. To remove this, we're gonna go up and slide it up and pull it back. And then we got behind here, there's tweeters we need to remove. So that's one out. And at the bottom, we got a couple more. We're gonna need to remove all the ports. Okay, one more. There we go. Right here, we have to unplug the tweeter and our 2 additional cables. This is a good time to replace any broken clips. And if you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps to get new content, and make sure you watch the full series of putting the panel back on, as well as seeing how they're fixing the window regulator.